today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Sheets to monday.com, making it easy to integrate your data with your project management workflows. First, open your browser and go to monday.com. Log into your account or create a new one if you don't have an account yet. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Import Data from the menu. Next, choose the Google Sheets option. You will be prompted to connect your Google account. Follow the instructions to log in and grant monday.com permission to access your Google Sheets. Once connected, select the specific Google Sheet you want to import. Make sure it's the correct one, as this data will be used to create your new board. Now, configure your board. Adjust the settings to determine how your Google Sheets data will appear and function in monday.com. Take your time to customize it according to your project needs. When ready, click the Import button. Your new board will be created with all the data from your selected Google Sheet ready to manage and track. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to monday.com, streamlining your workflow and keeping your projects organized.